Welcome to our video lesson. We will start to use Totally Integrated Automation Portal, and this Totally Integrated Automation Portal we will say TIA Portal, and this TIA Portal software we open here. You can see this TIA Portal. This TIA Portal software have two different view system, and this here Portal view, and another view is Project view. You can see here Project view, and we have Portal view. If you use before another PLC systems, or if you use another PLC or automation software, this project view very useful for you. So we will use a lot of times this project view. This portal view here you can see have some bottom and have some parts. We can see here install software. We have Total Integrated Automation Portal version 13 and Service Pack 1 Update 1. So all time this software become new version. So you must download and you must change your software version. First of all, we must make a create project, and when we push create new project button, and TIA Portal asks us project name. So I give here project name Udemy start, and this path. This path TIA Portal, when we push this create button, and TIA Portal creates some file and folder inside our path. So we must change, or we can use this path. I will use my desktop. Here you can see my computer is Turkish language. So when we will use something, I will try to explain what I make, and I will choose this desktop, and I make a new folder, and name is Udemy, and I will push OK, and here I can say the create project. I push create project and TIA Portal creating new project, and create some folder and create some file in our path. Okay, our project is now creating. So this TIA Portal software hardware, we can make it this hardware settings, and after we can create program in the same software. When we choose our hardware, this all Windows and all commands will be changed. So first of all, we must choose our hardware. Our hardware is here. We can see this video, and this 1200 CPU here, 1240 CPU, and different kind of model. We must make the same hardware in our software. So I will start making the same hardware in our software, and I will push add new device. And if you have different kind software, for example WinCC or starter, you can see here different device, and here controllers, and here HMI, human machine interface, and here PC systems and drive systems. We can see here which software we have. You can see here Dynamic Start Drive for drive systems, and Step 7 Professional for controller systems, and WinCC Professional for human machine interface and PC systems. We can say SCADA. So I go project view again and I push a new device. Controllers, you can see here we have different kinds of controllers, and we will use S7 1200 CPU. And you can see here all all S7 1200 CPUs model, and we must choose our hardware. We have 1214 CPU and DC DC DC, and this DC 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 mean first DC in our PLC's supply voltage, and DC means 24 volt. You can see here another kind of CPU system, and this first two character is AC. This means this CPU supply is AC voltage. So after we will learn another different systems, and we will use another different systems, you will see what we can make it these another systems. And second, DC is mean inputs. Our digital input is DC, so we will use our input 24 volt. And last DC mean output, or PLC systems or PLC CPU have transistor output. Because of this, we see this last two character in DC. You can see another relay. This CPU have output is relay. Because of this, last character is the last character is mean relay. So S7 S7 1240 CPU have different version. Our CPU's version is 4.1, so I must choose this hardware. And after we will see if we will add this module or another. All time we must look version, and I choose here version 4.1, and here we can see what we have in our hardware. And our work memory 100 kilobyte, and this 24 volt DC power supply, 14 digital input, and we can use sync and search. And output 10 outputs, we have 24 volt DC, and we have two analog input on board. These two analog inputs onboard input we can use 0 10 volt DC, and we have all 6 high speed counters. After we will use these, and we have 4 pulse output in onboard. We can use signal board. After I will show you where you put this signal board. And this CPU's left side 3 communication modules, and these 8 signal modules for expansions in right side in CPU. Profinet interface. All this S7 1200 CPU have Profinet interface. We programming, and we can communicate this HMI and PLC to PLC communication for this Profinet port, Profinet interface. And I choose now my hardware, and I choose my version, and I push OK button. When I push OK button, these TIA portals take all hardware feature, hardware properties, everything, and we will see here our hardware. After, yes, we see now our hardware, and after we can add another module and boards. Here we can look again our video. Here or PLC systems, and left side tree communication module. So here we can see left side tree module and right side 8 module we can add. How we can add this module? Here have catalog, and we can find here our module or boards, and we can drag and drop when we want put module. Okay, next video we will add module and we will see what we can make.